Alright, this is going to be a video for all my N-scale friends out there. I may have mentioned in one of my other videos, I was into N-scale for a little bit, many years, well, not many years ago, maybe about 5-6 years ago. Before I really got back into the hobby, I was collecting a few things. I had a small little layout, nothing special, but I had a lot of stuff. I've sold a lot of it years ago, and just almost completely forgot I had a box in my closet of just some random things. So I'm gonna be selling all this stuff. There's no reason for me to keep it. A lot of it could definitely find a new home and could run on somebody's layout. So I figured I'd make a little video just to show off what I'm gonna be selling. So again, all you HO guys out there, this may not be for you, but N-scale guys, if you're interested in any of this stuff, I'm going to go over it all. I'm going to try to maybe put it on eBay. I'll leave my email in the description. If you see something that you want, email me if you're really serious about it, and we'll talk. But I want to try to sell a lot of this stuff in bulk if I can. Again, I'm not here trying to make a lot of money. I'm just going to get rid of it, give it to a good home, and I'll be making really good deals on all this stuff. So I've got a lot of rolling stock, some locomotives that are, I believe they do have Digitrax decoders in them. Some turnouts, Pico 80 turnouts. I found a bag of them here. I mean, geez, there's probably 15. I'll count them later and go over what I got there, but they all work. So let's just get started. I'll just work my way through it. I'll just go over a couple things. If you guys are interested, let me know. If not, I've got another update coming up on the HO stuff very shortly. Be doing a lot of stuff on the layout. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, some vehicles here. As you may have seen, these John Deere tractors. Let's see if I can get that in the shot. You can see what they are. Looks like a 6920 front loader and regular tractor. I'll put those online. Random little roadway truck. Again, I'm gonna try to sell this, as a bulk, as much as I can. I believe these are the Atlas Explorers. They're not lettered or for any road name. I bought these. I didn't make these. Someone online. I bought these on eBay. Someone painted these up. They're really nice, nicely weathered and detailed, all from the same guy. It's just some construction equipment. I found some loads that I believe go to, for example, this wood load. It's just a resin load. I'll probably just throw it in with the this center beam car here. All right, so I got this bag of turnouts. I'm gonna quickly just pull these out, count how many I have and what I have, and show you guys what they look like. All right, so I got 16 total. Looks like these, I don't know what size they are. I'm sorry, but they all still work. Right hand, Insel Frogs, Code 80. I've got 6 right hands. I've got 5 left hands. I've got a Y, and I've got the larger curved turnouts. These are 2 rights and 2 lefts. For the locomotives, this Union Pacific MP15 DC. It does have a decoder in it. I think it's slightly weathered at the bottom. And if I could remember correctly, these, I don't know, maybe you guys, the N-scalers, will know that these may have a common issue with one of the trucks not pulling. I remember this thing not pulling as much as it should, but maybe it's just because it's light. But it does work. Yeah, it does have a decoder in it, Digitrax decoder. Got Fox Valley, Norfolk Southern Heritage unit here. This does have a decoder in it. It's got all the detailed parts. There you go. It's the one of the Heritage units, number 8114. We've got a SD60. This one does, I believe, yeah, this one does have a decoder in it as well. I've never really ran it, to be honest, but I remember it having a decoder in it, or I had one put in it. So nothing special there. Again, I mean, I'm trying to just get rid of this stuff. If, you know, try to sell some of it in bulk or whatever. This is old Atlas. I don't know where I got this from, but SD35 Montana Rail Link. But for the rolling stock, BLMA Tropicana car reefer. It's got metal wheels and everything on that. This center beam car. Looks like it's got, and some of these have metal wheels I remember putting on them. So this has got Fox Valley metal wheels, and I'll just, you know, throw in the load there. No big deal. Looks like some micro trains, flat cars. There you go. It's got the load. It's got metal wheels on this one, as well as this one. Got this car here, 2-bay hopper. Another one. Conrail. Looks like this one is missing. Some of them might be missing the magnetic, whatever they're called, on the trip pins. And again, this one's got plastic wheels on it. Hopper, Trainworks, metal wheels on that one. An Athearn ethanol car. It's got metal wheels. This one. And these are kind of in bulk, and I kind of like to just get rid of them in bulk, to be honest. So we've got some Intermountain covered hoppers here. Another one, Procore. Looks like a centrifugal hopper. See if you guys could read that stuff. Sorry, I apologize if you can't. Again, if you have any questions or anything, just shoot me a message and I'll, you know, let you know what everything is. And if not, I'll have a link to my eBay account if you guys are interested. These have metal wheels as well. And a Trainworks. Metal wheels. More hoppers here. These are Atlas cars. So it looks like they've got plastic wheels on these. These are kind of old, I believe. ADM. Golf. This one looks a little bit weathered with some graffiti on it. Another one. Plastic wheels. Another covered hopper, plastic wheels. Looks like some micro trains covered, or box cars. 60-foot box cars. Looks like a Santa Fe and a couple Conrails here. Or actually one Conrail and two Santa Fe's, I'm sorry. A few more box cars. Looks like an Atlas with metal wheels. That's got Fox Valley wheels on it. Fox Valley, CSX. And this one, oh yeah, this has got a little marker light in the back here. Let me open this up real quick and I'll show you. So this is pretty cool. It's just, it does have metal wheels on it. I put Fox Valley wheels on it, but it's got a little reed switch with a battery in it. So that's pretty cool. All right, and I believe a bunch of these are just some gondolas. Some of them have metal wheels. Looks like this one does. This one's got plastic wheels. This one's got plastic wheels as well. This one's got metal wheels. And this one looks like I weathered it. Possibly. It's got metal wheels on it. Let me pull it out real quick. Alright, so here's this one. Looks like I did a little bit of weathering on it. Just painted the wheels and nothing special. And I believe, yeah, I've got one of these loads I found. I think, yep, those are for them. So I just throw that in as well. All right, and last I've got 3 coil cars. These have metal wheels on them from Atlas. Looks like a CSX, Canadian National, and another CSX. They're all the same cars, but different road names. All right, so that's everything. Anything you guys like, just like I said, let me know. I'll be happy to work with you and getting rid of some of this stuff and have it go to a good home instead of just sitting in the closet. So if no one gets to me by the weekend, I'll start posting this stuff on eBay. And once it's there, eBay's got it. So this video, I guess, is really only relevant for a few days. So yeah, let me know, and I'll have another video shortly on the layout. So thanks for watching.